What's up, y'all? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today I'm out in the truck bringing y'all this video because my kids is on 10,000 million trillion. They got so much energy. I'm sure any other YouTubers out there can relate. They running all through the house. They screaming. They yelling through the vents. They banging on the windows, playing in the blinds, like almost like they knew I was trying to record. But anyway, there they go again. I got a dope video for you. This video is the unboxing, or should I say unzipping, of the PSA 5.7 rock. I'm kind of hype. So this is how it comes. It comes in this Bible ministry kind of zip up here. And then the real moment y'all been waiting for. Yeah. Forget them two cups y'all see in the background. But yeah, here it is, y'all. There's the owner's manual. And there she blows. So, what does it come with? Comes with your trigger lock over here. You got two 23 round magazines. 23 rounds. That alone changes my perspective of it. And then, if y'all want to get the beauty up close, there it is, y'all. We have it. Now, of course, this is the non-optics ready version. There will be an optics ready threaded barrel version. I only know this, one, because they said so at SHOT Show. Two, because under my FFL, I am a PSA dealer. So I do have a dealer account with them. But this is beautiful. I gotta see how this weird knuckle thing feels. I'm almost ready to Dremel that down and keep this for myself. I probably will if I keep it, but man, the 5.7 rock. I got the review coming at the range. We're gonna test the trigger. We're gonna see the sight system, go through all the bells and whistles, but I just wanted y'all to see it, man. It's fire. Shout out to Rustic Arms. You know, we get all the newest stuff. Anyways, man, let me know what y'all think. This is the PSA 5.7 rock. Let me know what y'all think. And the range review, I'll be editing and dropping that real soon. Till next video, peace.